Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that has the potential to upgrade your home lighting experience, the Kasa Smart 3-Way Light Switch HS210 KIT. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Kasa HS210? This smart light switch allows you to control your lighting from anywhere, whether you're in the next room or halfway around the world. It requires a neutral wire for installation and connects to your home's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, making it a reliable choice for those looking to add a bit of smart technology to their home. The kit comes with 2 switches, perfect for replacing traditional 3-way switches or single-pole switches in your home. Let's talk about some of the standout features. First and foremost, the app-guided installation process is incredibly user-friendly. The Kasa or Tapo app walks you through the setup step by step, which is great for anyone who may not be an expert in electrical wiring. However, if you're unfamiliar with working with electrical systems, it's always a good idea to consult a professional electrician for assistance. The Kasa HS210 can be used as either a 3-way switch or a single-pole switch, giving you the flexibility to control your lights from 1 or 2 locations. This is particularly useful in areas like staircases, where you might want to control the lights from both the top and bottom, or in hallways that lead to different parts of your home. Now, let's move on to the convenience factor. With the Kasa app, you can control your lights remotely, making it easy to turn them on or off from anywhere, whether you're at home, at work, or even on vacation. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Home, allowing for hands-free control. Just imagine walking into your home and saying, "Turn on the living room lights," and voila, instant ambience. One of the features I particularly appreciate is the scheduling capability. You can set timers or countdown schedules to have your lights automatically turn on or off at specific times. This is not only convenient but can also enhance security. By enabling the away mode, your lights will randomly switch on and off, giving the appearance that someone is home, which can deter potential intruders. When it comes to safety and reliability, the Kasa HS210 shines as well. Designed and developed in Silicon Valley, Kasa is trusted by over 4 million users. The switch is UL certified, ensuring that it meets rigorous safety standards. Imagine being able to fade the bedroom lights as your child drifts off to sleep or having enough time to exit a room without bumping into furniture. These features really enhance daily living. As for who this switch is suitable for, it's perfect for anyone looking to modernize their home with smart technology. Whether you're a tech enthusiast wanting to bring home automation to life, or simply someone who wants to make everyday tasks easier and more efficient, the Kasa Smart 3-Way Light Switch is a fantastic addition to any household. In practical use, think about areas like your home office, where you may want to control the lighting without getting up from your desk, or your garage, allowing you to turn on the lights from the comfort of your car before stepping inside. The possibilities are endless. In conclusion, the Kasa Smart 3-Way Light Switch HS210 KIT is a powerful tool for anyone looking to enhance their home lighting experience. With its easy installation, remote control capabilities, scheduling features, and trusted safety certifications, it's a smart investment for any modern home. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.